Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, in order to begin our Thanksgiving week, I am going to be cooking a special Thanksgiving meal which will comprise of a Vietnamese lemongrass grilled chicken along with some Indian twist cranberry sauce and some sauteed potatoes. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this meal. Please do not forget to post your comments on my YouTube comment section. Kindly like this video if you like it, and please ring the bell button so that you get the latest updates of my channel. And for those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving in advance. May your life be filled with extreme prosperity and peace. Thanks again, and let's get cooking. For the chicken marinade, we'll need 10 to 12 roots and stalks of cilantro. Use the part which is very close to the roots. 12 garlic pods, 2 tablespoons of chopped lemongrass stalk, 1 tablespoon of jaggery or brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. While using lemongrass, use the fat tender part which is right above the root portion. Give a vertical slit to the tender part and peel off the first 2 layers which are extremely tough and very fibrous, cannot be used, and use a soft tender part which is inside those 2 leaves. The remaining layers can be chopped and used either for your tea or for your soups. Finally, chop the tender part and use it for your chicken marinade. I have taken 4 chicken thighs, which is approximately 650 grams of chicken. Give gashes to your thighs so that the spices marinate deep inside. For the spiced cranberry sauce, we'll need 200 grams of either fresh or frozen cranberries, salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika, 1/4 cup of jaggery powder or sugar, 1 inch of grated ginger, and half a cup of water. Begin by making a coarse paste of roughly chopped lemongrass stalks, cilantro roots or stalks, garlic pods with some salt and pepper. You may either use a grinder or you may use a mortar and pestle. Vietnamese and Thai cooking uses a lot of cilantro roots because they are very intense in their flavors. To this coarse paste, you may add 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, fish sauce, and either brown sugar or jaggery powder. Mix this well. This is a common marinade used to marinate either seafood or meats in Vietnamese food. Although it's quite a mellow marination, but it combines very beautiful, salty, sweet, and tangy flavors. Adjust salt and pepper to taste, but be careful because the sauces also are salty. Marinate the chicken well and leave it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. The longer the marination stays, the better the flavor gets. While our chicken marinates, let us make our spiced cranberry sauce. In a saucepan, take about 200 grams of either frozen or fresh cranberries. To this, either add jaggery powder or sugar, red chili powder or paprika, salt to taste, grated ginger, and half a cup of water. Mix this well, cover and cook it on a low flame for about 10 minutes. Cranberries are a great source of vitamin C. They help in regulating your blood pressure, improve your cardiovascular health, improve your immunity, aid in brain function, and also prevent many cancers. Put off the flame after 10 minutes and let the mixture cool down. Spread about 2 tablespoons of oil on a heated skillet or a grill pan. Place your chicken thighs and cook them on a high flame for about 3 to 4 minutes to get nice char marks of the grill. Post 4 minutes of high flame cooking, reduce the flame to a medium and then cook it covered for about 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, drizzle a little bit of oil on the second side, flip it and cover and cook it on a medium flame for the next 6 minutes. The total grilling time on a grill pan is about 17 to 20 minutes. You may also use an oven to bake this chicken. To bake this in an oven, preheat the oven and bake it at 165° Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Our cranberry sauce is now cooled down. I'm going to leave a few whole cranberries aside for garnishing, and the remaining I'll blend it into a coarse puree. This is a versatile sauce and could be used either as a dressing, a dip, an accompaniment, or even as a filling inside your crepes. Garnish this with some chopped cilantro as it gives a refreshing taste. Let's make a quick side of potatoes. For this, to a heated pan, I'm going to add just a tablespoon of oil. To this, add in some chopped garlic, lightly brown it. Now add in your cubed parboiled potatoes, salt and pepper to taste. and a little bit of microgreens of fenugreek or methi, which add a beautiful balance to the dish.